Hello there, and welcome back to Mindful Musicians with Miss Nancy. Have you ever found yourself getting lost in a piece of music and feeling completely in the moment? It's moments like these that make music so special, and as musicians, it's what we strive for. However, it's not always easy to stay present and connected to the music that we're playing, especially if we're feeling nervous or distracted. And this is where mindfulness can come in and help us to find joy in this music making process. So what exactly is mindfulness? So glad you asked. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and aware at the current moment and without judgment or distraction. It's about focusing on the present and letting go of worries about the past or the future. When we practice this mindfulness while playing music, we can better connect with the music and find joy in the process. So as a pianist, I know firsthand how easy it is to get caught up in all the technicalities of playing a piece of music. We might focus on hitting the right notes, the proper fingerings, dynamics, articulation, ornamentation, any and all of this, accidentals, all of that. And while all of those things are very important, they can distract us from the joy and the beauty of music itself. My favorite quote from any composer is from Beethoven, and he said, "To play a wrong note is insignificant. To play without passion is inexcusable," which is another way to say enjoy it. Be in the present moment. That is exactly what we're talking about today. So one way to practice this mindfulness while we're playing piano is to focus on the sound of the piano, which sounds like it would be easy, but it's easy to kind of forget that and become a robot. So instead of thinking about what the next note is or what the next phrase is or what, and playing, I had a professor who called it playing in the future. He's like, play in the present, not the future. Try to immerse yourself in the sound of each note as you play it. Something that I really learned to do and to love doing is this. And this is something that I learned how to do in college. So I'm going to just go ahead and share my other screen real quick. So this is a piece, or a section of the piece, Clair de Lune by Claude Debussy. It's my favorite part of the piece, and it goes like this. And it continues on. But my favorite part of all is this. And it's something that I will, if I'm having a gloomy day or something, I'll even come back to this. And it's this. It's truly something that I absolutely love. So this week, as you are practicing, as you kind of start getting caught up in all of the minutia, the accidentals, the this, the that, just take a minute, step back, take some deep breaths, and really listen to it. So I hope that you will, as you're practicing this week, take a moment, really ground yourself, be in this present moment, play in the present. Let your, practice obviously, but find times to really hone in on this present moment and be in the present as you're practicing. I hope this has been helpful for you. If it has, please like and subscribe. Let us know down in the comments what things you like, what things you don't like, so that we know what you are interested in learning about. And I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic week, and I will see you next time.